In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Cash App at a store. There are a few different ways you can use Cash App for in-store purchases, and I'll walk you through the easiest methods step by step. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. The most common way to pay with Cash App at a store is by using your Cash App cash card. First, open Cash App and make sure your cash card is activated and has enough balance available. You can then use the card just like a regular debit card by inserting, swiping, or tapping it at the checkout terminal. You can also pay using Apple Pay or Google Pay if your Cash App card is connected to your mobile wallet. Open Cash App, go to the Cash Card section, and add your card to Apple Pay or Google Pay. Once linked, simply tap your phone on the contactless payment terminal at the store to complete the purchase. Some small businesses may also allow direct Cash App payments using a cash tag or QR code. In that case, open Cash App, scan the seller's QR code or enter their cash tag, type the payment amount, and tap Pay to send the money instantly. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.